Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. My name is Srishti and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this soft glam makeup look for Eid. So please keep on watching. So I'm starting with my base. I'm using this primer from Colorbar for a smooth base for my foundation. Next I'm using this super blendable foundation from Loreal and applying it with my fingers and then using a damp beauty blender to blend it. This foundation has medium coverage but it is buildable. Next I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro concealer. This blends beautifully, doesn't get cakey or dry. Blending it under my eyes first and then whatever is left on the sponge, applying it to my eyelids. It's going to act as a base for my eyeshadows. And then setting it with this loose powder from Maybelline. And then also setting my T-zone. With that done, I'm starting with my eye makeup. I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, starting with this burgundy shade. I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye, creating sort of a V, and then applying it to the inner corner as well, and then connecting it and blending it. And then using this transition shade so that the burgundy shade looks super blended. Then I'm using a different palette from NYX, going with the tiniest amount of this dark shade to make the previous eyeshadow look a little more intense, and then blending it. Next I'm using this pink glitter shade and pressing it with my ring finger so that it deposits more eyeshadow and looks more intense. Then using the same eyeshadow brush which I used for the burgundy shade to blend it a little. Next I'm going to use a liquid liner from Colorbar, just drawing a wing and then connecting it to the center. And then lining the rest of the eye. Then just curling my lashes and applying mascara from Maybelline. This mascara stays for a long time. So if you want a mascara which stays for all day, all evening, then you should go for this one. Next I'm applying this nude kohl to my waterline so that my eyes appear bigger. Next I'm using this glitter shade in my inner corner to make my eyes pop. I'm done with my eyes now. I'm moving on to the eyebrows. I'm using this dark brown shade to fill in the gaps. This shadow doesn't look super dramatic, looks quite natural. Now coming to the face again, I'm using this dark shade of foundation to add some shadows to my face. I'm applying it to the usual places to contour and then blending it using the same beauty blender. Next, I'm using this bronzer from Sugar on top of the foundation to make it look a little more intense. Coming to the blush, I'm going to use this pink shade from Loreal. I'm applying it just above the contour and also a little bit on my nose. And whatever is left on the brush, just brushing it on the apples of my cheeks. Since it's a festive look, highlighter is a must. I'm using this rose gold highlighter from Sugar. This is buildable, so you can use it for a softer look, or for a more goddess-like finish, you can add more product. I'm also applying it to the cupid's bow and brow bones. Now finally for lips, I'm using this pink shade from MAC and applying it to my lips. And then blotting it with a tissue. And then going in with another pink shade from Nykaa. And then again using the MAC lipstick. This way I get a really pretty pink shade. Lastly, I'm using the setting spray from FALSIES to set my makeup in place. Oh, I also popped on some fake lashes. These are from PAC. They look pretty natural. And that is the finished look. And that's about it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe and eat Mubarak in advance. Bye. I don't think about the memories.